Sorry, this is an iPad. There's me. There's the wooden floor. Yes, this is the iPad test. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Ooh!
Here we
Pick
go.
it up. Pick it up, Steve.
Okay.
Right, let's just have a look at the back first. It didn't really land on its back, so it might not be.
Yeah,
There's a few scratches.
That's probably from when I've dropped it before.
So
I'm not very good with
let's
iPad.
check the front. A few scratches on the front. Let's turn it on. It isn't working.
Try this button. I don't really get what's happened.
The iPad isn't working, so
we failed on this.
well, we actually did it successfully. It actually broke on this floor. Hello, I'm a dog.
And I sue you, Apple. You should make your iPad stronger. Sue you! Only joking, you make my phone. Now, here we go. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Mario!